You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -12. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Combine like terms. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add x to both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -12.